Type your name or a positive message and turn it into a flashing neon sign. Here's what the Google Slides look like. There's a black slide in between each word so that when it's animated, it looks like a flashing neon sign that goes off and on. For every word, you need 3 colors. A pale color fill, a dark color outline, and a coordinating drop shadow color, red drop shadow, to go with my red word. An orange drop shadow goes with my orange word. You set the transparency to the left, the blur radius to the right, angle somewhere around 100, distance somewhere around 10. That makes the word look like it's glowing. Your Google Slides look like this. I recommend you hit pause in between each step. Step 1, go to Insert, Word Art on slide 4. Click on Insert, scroll down for Word Art, type your name. Then you can change the font and resize. If you change your mind about the word, it's easy. Double click and change the word. Be sure to size your word very large to fill the page. Step 3 and 4, click on the word and fill it with a light color. Click on the border and choose a dark color. So I click on the word, I go to fill color, choose a light color. I go to the border, choose a corresponding dark color. Maybe make the border a little bit wider. Change the background to black. Step 5 is where you make the letters look like they are glowing by creating a drop shadow. So I go background, choose black, click on the letters, and I go to Format, Format Options, Drop Shadow. My letters are bright pink. I want the drop shadow to be bright pink too. It doesn't look like it's glowing yet. Transparency goes left. Blur radius goes very far right. Angle somewhere around 100. Distance somewhere around 10. Now the letters look like they're glowing. Step 6. Click on Slide, Duplicate Slide. Change the colors of your letters and repeat. So I click on Slide, Duplicate, click on the word and change the colors. Pale color fill, bright color outline. I want to go to Format, Format Options, and change the color of the glow to make it match. Repeat those steps for all different colors. Step 7, Make a new slide with a black background and duplicate it to make every other slide black. That's easy. I go slide, new slide. Get rid of the text boxes. Background, black, done. Now I duplicate, slide, duplicate, and move it in between the words. Slide, duplicate, make every other slide black. You're almost done. Step 8. Follow that animation recipe. Make a new slide. You need a white background. Here's your recipe. So I'm going to go slide, new slide, and I'm going to follow this recipe. File, publish to the web. Change every 3 seconds to every second. Click both boxes, start and restart. Click publish. OK. Control C to copy. Close that box. Make a text box on your new slide. Control V to paste, hit enter. I hope you know how to make a hyperlink. Do you remember? It's not hard. Right click to copy that link address. Type your title. Select the words. Insert, link, paste, apply. Now I'm going to put this, Control C to copy, on my first black slide. Control V to paste. Very last step, I'm going to delete all the slides I don't want in my animation. When I click on the hyperlink, I've got my neon word art. The reason you need a blank slide to paste your link is because the letters are black, and if you paste onto a black slide, you won't be able to see your link. If you want your link to play faster, backspace, take away 10, then hit enter. Now I click, right click, copy that link address. I've taken away 10. Still working on the white page. I'm creating the hyperlink. I type a title, select it, insert, link, paste, apply. Copy that, paste it to my first page. Get rid of slide 2. I don't want all this part in my animation. Here's the faster neon sign. That's what happens when you take away 10.